Hey everybody, this is Kathy with Carnivore Uphill. This is day 3 of my traveling while staying on carnivore. I am keeping you updated daily on my journey to lose this weight on the carnivore diet. So today is day 3 while traveling during this Christmas season. I will be on the road again today, traveling back home to the mountains of North Carolina where I live. Yesterday I had my ground beef and butter and it was great. But also yesterday I went with a lot of family to the Cheesecake Factory. Now there were a lot of temptations all around me, but I ordered 2 flat burgers with no bun, no French fries, nothing but just the burgers, and they were delicious. They were very good, and I was able to eat just that while everyone else was eating all that delicious looking carbs and sugar. But believe it or not, I was able to stick with my carnivore protocol that I have set for myself during this time. So today I will be traveling back home. I'll be on the road for about 6 hours. I will stop at a McDonald's during the way and get some hamburger patties like I did on the way here. And as I told you in yesterday's video, from the last time I was here at Thanksgiving until this time, I have lost 7 pounds according to this scale where I am right now. And this morning I'm down a little bit more, so I will see what I weigh when I get home. I'm excited to see that. I will stick with this carnivore way of eating of just beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. But right now I'm just having beef and butter and see how that works for me. And then I'll do this through the Christmas season. And when the new year starts, I know a lot of you are waiting to start this on January 1st. And I'm going to be right here with you. And I can tell you what I have done since I started this YouTube channel about 6 weeks ago. It's working for me, and I can tell you what I did every day and how I am losing the weight. I'm continue to losing weight and feeling great eating beef, butter, bacon, and eggs on this carnivore protocol. So we can do this together starting in the new year, and you need someone to help motivate you, and you guys motivate me. You wouldn't believe how much I've been motivated and able to stick with this because of all of you and all of your wonderful comments and advice. And I appreciate that very much. So I am not on any medications. I do not take any drugs at all. But I do not ever want to be on any medications either. It's really sad to watch people close to you and people you care about have to suffer with illnesses that can be cured with the carnivore diet. Unfortunately, doctors aren't in the business of healing people when it comes to the illnesses that can be cured by just telling them to eliminate carbs and sugar. They need your money. They don't make money off of healthy people, and they would prefer to make sure you're on these drugs that causes a lot of issues and make sure you stay sick for the rest of your life. Then they have income coming in from sick people. And it's sad. If they told the truth about how people could actually be cured from many, many diseases like type 2 diabetes or arthritis or a lot of heart problems can be absolutely cured by eliminating carbs and sugar and going on a very, very low carb, all meat diet. The drug companies need sick people. They need to tell you that you have to have these drugs to stay alive. They don't tell you all of the miserable side effects you'll have to go through and how you'll live a very unhealthy, miserable life while taking these drugs. But they don't care. They want your money. If they told you you don't need these drugs, you just need to eliminate carbs and sugar and you can be cured, well, then they wouldn't have the money that they make from having sick people stay sick their entire lives. I am not a doctor, but you can do some research. Do research with Dr. Ken Berry. He promotes an all-meat diet, the carnivore diet, and also Dr. Eric Berg, and he promotes the keto diet. But both of them are doctors. Both of them have excellent information on how to live a lifestyle without drugs. And you don't have to spend your older years going to doctors all the time. You can do other things. You can have fun doing other things than going to doctor appointments and taking drugs all the time. I am 70 years old, and there was a time in my life back when I weighed a whole lot more than I weigh right now, where doctors did tell me I needed to be on cholesterol medication, high blood pressure medication, and I don't know what else. But I didn't want to be on those medications. And when I tried them a little bit, because the doctor said I should, I didn't like the side effects. So on my own, I just quit taking them. Doctors used to have me even on thyroid medicine, and I thought I would have to be on that for the rest of my life. But I chose to even get off of that myself. But I have no issues now that I've lost a lot of weight with any of that stuff. I don't have high blood pressure anymore, and that took a long time to cure. But I am cured of it by eliminating carbs and sugar. And by the way, we do need cholesterol. Our brain needs it. We do not need carbs and sugar. So I'm going to stay with you, make a video every day to tell you how I am doing on this way of eating, and hopefully encourage a lot of you to jump in there and do what you can to get off medications that you might be on. And I'm not telling you not to go to your doctor. I'm not giving you any medical advice at all. I'm just telling you what I do, what works for me. And if it's working for me, I believe it will work for others also. So I'm getting ready to get back on the road this morning. I'll be on the road about 6 hours. And when I get home, I'll be like everyone else, just busy nonstop, getting through Christmas. I'm going to stick with this carnivore lifestyle, even though I'll continue to be around a lot of food, a lot of carbs and sugar. I won't have it. I will enjoy being with the people I am around, and I'm not making it about the food. It's about the people and loving people that we care about. It doesn't have to be about the food. I'll come to you every day, even on Christmas Day, to wish you a Merry Christmas, to let you know how I'm doing on this diet. But on the new year, if any of you would like, I will start a live video chat with you guys, whoever wants to join it, and we could just do this together live if you like. So I'll see. If that's something any of you are interested in, just let me know, and I'll set that up. Thank you to all of my subscribers for subscribing. Thank you for sharing my channel with others who you feel might want to join in with us. And I hope you have a great day today, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.